Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing something very different on this channel. So today I'm going to be doing no mirror makeup challenge. I'm going to be doing my usual makeup routine and there's no mirror around. I'm not going to look at myself in mirror and I'm going to try to do my makeup without mirror. So that is how it works. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So I've already moisturized my skin and next I am going to prime my skin. I am super excited for this video because I don't know how it is going to turn out to be. Taking my primer and applying it on my T-zone area and all over my face. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to apply foundation on my face. I honestly have no clue how this is going to turn out to be. I'm so scared. This is weird. This is super weird. Now I'm going to play safe. I'm just going to take a blending brush and blend everything in on my face. I don't know where to blend, what to blend. So I've blended everything in. I just don't want to look like a stupid person this is the scariest part. I'm going to do my concealing without mirror. I think I will poke this brush into my eye. I don't know. I'm going to blending brush and just blend everything in. I've done with my base. Next, I'm just going to take a loose powder and set my base makeup. Just hope and wish that I don't look like a ghost right now. I don't know, there's this strange constant urge to look at myself in a mirror. That weird foundation thing on my lips, so I cleaned it up and I promise you I haven't looked at myself in the mirror or anywhere else. I promise you that I'm still curious to see myself in the mirror. Next I'm going to do is my cream contouring. This is going to be tough because I don't know where I'm going to apply my cream contouring, but I'll try my level best to apply it on the correct areas. So let's just get started. Next, I'm going to bronze my face. I think I'm done with my contouring. Now, moving on to the scariest part. I'm going to do my eyebrows. This is going to be very tough. I don't know where I'm going to apply them because I already know I'm going to fail very terribly and I'm going to have a very hard time clearing this makeup out. I don't even know where should I apply it. I already think this was a bad idea for me to do my eyebrows. Like, I don't know where I'm applying it. I have this feeling that I'm applying it on the correct areas. I'm just going to keep it down. This is scary. Blush, I'm just taking a blush and applying it on. I feel like I'm just going to put in loads and loads of blush because why not? I don't know how this looks like. I'm going to take this brown shade and try to contour my eyes. See, I want to believe that yes, I'm doing it all right, and I want to believe that I am going perfectly fine, but I know I'm not. Next, I'm going to try and apply a winged eyeliner without a mirror. I'm just going to put this down now. I feel like there's going to be weird lines on my eyes. Lashes are the easiest, I feel, out of all. Bottom ones are scarier because definitely I feel like I'm going to poke this wand in my eye. Done. Highlighting is also pretty easy, I think. I should become a daredevil and try and apply liquid lipstick without mirror. So, okay. Wish me luck. This video is just me making fun of myself and wasting my makeup. I am sort of ready to look myself into the mirror. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. I don't get it. What did I do right here? Like, why did I feel like I have mascara, liner. I can't tell if you guys can see it. I feel like I did pretty decent job on my base. Base is okay. Lips, it's weird. I think I did pretty decent job at this, like at this part of face. Like, see, it doesn't look that weird. Not unless you see this black spot. I don't know where it came from. What is it? Liner, mascara, I don't know. I think I made a complete disaster of myself, but yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. And if you have managed to see this video this far, and if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Nikita. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell and be my bell buddy. Also follow me on my social medias, they'll be linked down in the description. I'm going to remove this off my face. Bye.